All right, let's go ahead and talk about breakout trading, um, mainly low float, small cap stocks, which happen to be one of my bread and butter setups. So let's go ahead and recap three trades that I took today that I took multiple times. Um, so what I like to do is I like to have the market kind of open and prove itself. I don't really like to get in too much in the morning. Um, there's an old adage out there that says amateurs open the market and professionals close it. You can use that term interchangeably for different, styles of trading, day trading versus swing trading versus investment or position style trading. But I just found that I'm a much more skillful trader after market open, once the market proves itself, or at least these stocks prove themselves in which direction they're going to be going. Now, once the market does open and we're 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours in, I like to run my small cap market scanner. Unfinviz is a completely free scanner that you can use. And what I like to look for is low float, high volume, small market cap stocks. And if these ones have news, they could really run, right. The float is an indication of the supply being a little bit lower. With higher volume, we can see some explosive moves. Now, when the market slows down, you want to be very picky. And so what I typically do is I switch to kind of my breakout trading, and I love to use the Fibonacci tool. And we'll kind of go over this now. So as the market opened here on ALF, let's take a quick look here. First thing I like to do is I like to kind of see, okay, we had an increase, then a little bit of a dip, and then volume came in. And so I like to use my Fibonacci tool, establish my swing high and my swing low. And right around 8 in the morning, I was watching for a breakout. As you can see, it was kind of trading along this little trend line. And I was just waiting for a particular breakout over the high day here. With Nasdaqs, they can get kind of tricky. You'll see them pop up and then slam back down. But once you receive that confirmation, I'm establishing my extension, right? And as I figure out what my extension is going to be, that's going to be my target profit. And you can see here that this green line is kind of like the minimum profit area. This 1.414 is the Fibonacci extension mid-range. And then it didn't quite reach the target, maximum target profit, but clearly a beautiful trade there. And as you can see with ALF, it presented multiple opportunities because as the day kind of went on, what you can see is that it created multiple breakout opportunities, right? So again, reach high day. Here we are now right around 10 a.m. in the morning. And then once we establish our extensions, what this is going to do is going to give us our target profit area. And you can see it didn't quite reach it until a little bit later here. So maybe you got stopped out here. Certainly I would have been stopped out, but I would have definitely got in again. As you can kind of see, it eventually reached at least the minimum target profit area. All right, let's take a look at ATOS. Now, ATOS is another great opportunity. Here we go. Market opens, great. It shoots up, I don't care. Slams back down, I don't care. I want to see where this direction is going. I want to see if it's going to establish itself. So what do? I establish my Fibonacci levels, okay? And as you can see, it's making these higher lows. And as volume came in, I was ready to attack. So as the breakout came in, could have gotten anywhere between 681. I think I got in at 675 right before the breakout, and then the biggest thing is establishing where you're gonna exit, right? So if we draw our extensions, again, it not only hit our minimum mid-range, but also maximum, even shot up beyond that. So multiple opportunities to take profits there. So just two examples. IDRA is another example, which I'll kind of let you see. But again, if you just draw it out real quick, you can kind of see how the trading plan is established for you. And all you need to do is just take profits into those extensions. And there you go. All right, until next time, enjoy your day.